Hey there everyone, today I'm gonna show you a small kit that my daughter gave me as a gift. It's from China Glaze. It's a deep powder glitter kit, and I told her that I'm gonna do a small video in YouTube about this kit because she just gave it to me. She's my supporter, my young supporter, my daughter, my youngest one. I just love her so much. She's so cute giving me this. So here are the steps on how to apply. We have, I see here activator, I see a clear one, and I see the glitter dip powder. So let me open this kit. I already put some nails. I applied them with full cover nail tips with gel. So let me open this and see how this looks. I know she purchased this on a store that was closing down and it was a discounted. Okay, this glitter is really cute, not bad. And we have clear here. And let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we have sponges and we have a nice cuticle pusher or cleaner, can be used as both. Okay, let's put this away, and these are the instructions. And it talks about the application, the troubleshooting, removal, basically all the steps are here. This is activator. Activator is not the same as the base. So where is the base? Okay, let me see if it's in here, because we need a base. Oh, basically these are aluminum foils. When it's time to remove it, you can soak this area here with acetone and just wrap it around your finger like that. This is for removing the dip powder or any other gel polish that you have that you want to remove. So I'm not sure where is. Okay, let me see the instructions one more time here. What is this sponges for? This must be sometimes to dust the dip powder. Sometimes kits don't come with a brush. Oops, put that there. Okay, so we have application. Before you begin the application, make sure you prepare your nails by removing any old polish or product and gently push back your cuticles so that no dirt debris remain. Okay, step 1, base and dip. Work on one nail at a time. Prepare your dip powder by removing the lid and dust cover from the jar, starting with a pinky on one hand, carefully one coat of the base, top coat, and to one nail, making sure to clean any base top coat that gets near the cuticle and surrounding the skin area with a manicure stick. The only problem with this is that I don't see base, I see activator. Maybe that's why these kits were discounted when she purchased them, because there is no base here. Because there should be base, dip powder, apply activator, and reapply base on top. So that is not here. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to use one of my own base, because that's why my daughter purchased this discounted, because she doesn't have the base. In the meanwhile, let's have a look at the glitter powder. Okay, wow, that is beautiful. I think I feel like doing so. It has a cover. Okay, let's remove the cover so you can see better. Wow, 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 so cute. Let's bring it closer. Closer to the light here. It's very pretty. For sure I'm gonna do that. And here is clear. Okay, this is the clear. It has a cover as well. It's a picky that doesn't have the base, but it's okay. I have base from another kit that I'm gonna be using for this. Okay, what I decided to do is, and I'm gonna use the hack that I've seen before, that you use regular base gel, you put the powder and then you cure it. or I could use the powder base, which I have some from Model Ones, but this is gonna be actually less messy and I don't have to put activator or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead with the base gel for today. So let's put this away here for now, and yes, I'm gonna use this little kit here. So I think I'm just gonna use the glitter one for today. Put this quickly here. Okay, I bought the chime from the nail tips, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply a layer of the base gel, and of course I'm gonna need my UV lamp right here. Okay, let me start by opening the beautiful glitter that we're gonna be using today, that I was given by one of my supporters, my daughter. And again, this is very beautiful. So let's see. Let's start with the thumbnail, and that's when I have my UV glove now because I'm gonna be curing my nails. Let's start with this one. Again, make sure that doesn't touch your skin if you're using this method. This way you have more time to clean around the edges if you have any mess. Dump it in here, cover the whole nail. And tap it, tap the excess. Oh wow, this is really cute. I like it a lot. Very nice. The light doesn't really show how beautiful this is. So in this case, this has to be cured. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. And here it is. Here we have the first nail. Let me bring it very close to the camera so you guys can see. That's already cured with base gel. So let me dust off the excess. I almost prefer the base gel better than the powder base because it's more like a glue, like I mentioned before. And wow, I really like this. So beautiful. I think I will do one coat only, I think. Okay, let me go ahead and finish the rest of the nails, and then I'll decide that later. In the meanwhile, let me try to keep it as neat as possible here. Okay, again, base gel. Keep it away from your skin like any other nail product. For me, it's been like a disaster lately with acetone. I've been getting very bad reaction, allergic reaction from acetone, so I have to stay away from acetone. And here we go. And let's do that again. Let's reuse the one that we have here. This tool is very handy. So you just put the one on the top, then reuse the one is already here. And here we go again. And wow, I really like this glitter. It's so cute, this powder glitter. Wow, so beautiful. And at least you can go around like this and make sure the edges are nice and clean, because this is base gel, like I mentioned before. You have time to make sure that nothing is touching the skin. This is good. Oops, I touched it. Let me see if I can push it back there. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, let me see if I can just fix it. A little bit. Okay, it's all fixed. So let me continue, and then I'll cure everything. all done curing the nails. If you love glitter, this will be perfect for you. You will stand out for sure. And there's a little bit here. There's not a problem. It will come off. Just go around the cuticles. Okay, all good. Come off. This is very nice. Okay, let me put the extra glitter back into the container. We have to save it because it's so pretty. You just want to save all of it. So let me close this because it's gonna be very messy if this is spill out. Very messy. Maybe I could put a layer of the clear just to protect the glitter. I think I will do that. Yes, yeah, why not? Okay, let's do that. Then once I do that, then I will go ahead and file any extra little mistakes around here. Yeah, let's do a layer of the clear since it comes together in the kit. It's clear, it should show, the glitter should show through. Okay, here is the moment of truth. Let me see if this is clear and the glitter is gonna show. Okay, it shows a little bit less than these ones over here. It's much better like this. No, not gonna do that. Ooh, but the powder is very slippery. Let me just put that back in there. No way, no way. Oh, some glitter went in there. Well, oh well, oh well. Hey, I don't like the way it came out. Okay. No, it's not showing. I knew it. Okay. I'm just gonna put another layer of glitter then. Glitter. Again. And this powder is so slippery. It goes all over the map. It's like, ooh, like you're skating. There you go. I have to keep constantly keeping it together. Okay, let's stop playing here. Stop playing here. Okay, let's go. Yes, that's what I like. Okay, let's do another layer because they do look a little bit thin. You can see through. Okay. And if I have to buff or file anything, I need some at least 2 layers. And that's my dog, Chica. I have a Chihuahua, and she is a Chihuahua. So if you have a small dog, you know how small dogs are. They're very loud. Okay, so let's go here. I chose today not to do a voiceover, so you guys can get like a more, I don't know, like more spontaneous video. Oh yes, much better with 2 coats. I love it. So let's continue and finalize the 2 coats for these nails. And to be honest, they look so pretty the way they are. Okay. And you can use this directly on your natural nails as well. I'm just using tips because my natural nails are very, very short and I don't like the way they look. Whoa, just beautiful. That's good. Okay, 2 coats is good for this. before I do anything else. Woo, and cure this. And I'm back, guys, and I clean up the mess, and right now I'm just gonna be reshaping the nails a little bit, just cleaning the edges basically, because sometimes if you apply a few layers you lose the shape of the nails, and these ones are gonna be like round estoleto. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep that shape. For the rest of the nails, I decided to apply some rhinestone, guys. These ones are from GN and they match very well the glitter. I'm just gonna show you how I did this. And attaching the rhinestone just with some the top coat, because it's just for the purpose of the video. But if you're gonna attach rhinestones, make sure you use rhinestone glue or something stronger, like maybe nail glue as well. And this is gonna be the final touch, and I'll be right back with you guys. And these are the final result today, guys. I'm really happy with these nails. I think they came out so good and so beautiful. I really like doing the powder this way with the basil, because you have the freedom to correct it and clean it, and it's so much better. The actual deep powder base, it dries so fast sometimes that you don't have time to correct your mistakes. This is just so beautiful. I love this glitter powder that my daughter gave me as a gift. She's so lovely. I think she will be happy with these results.